get slushies when we cash out.
What?
Get a slush.
I destroyed Doritos. Midnight I did. At least this doesn't have fleece on it. I hope and pray.
Where's my phone?
In your pocket.
Chili cheese, huh?
Yeah.
I like Fritos too. I'm gonna get me some, I think.
I'm gonna do it for my
I like the
chili.
barbecue twist.
Stupid
I got
fly.
my barbecue
There's a
chips
fly.
from Walmart. Okay, ready to go in?
I don't know.
Are you gonna wait out here?
Want me to wait for the slushie?
I'm not carrying 2 slushes.
I'm done. Stupid fly.
Are you coming in?
Want me to?
Uh-huh.